Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cryptolo with an excited video. Here is also WEEX exchange platform, where you can find better opportunities, how you can become more stronger in financial situation. Yes, I am also going to share here one of the best method that is going on the WEEX exchange. If you are new on the Crypto Rocky, you can subscribe my channel. And if you are for the first time, you can also check that this video is for educational content. We are not your financial advisor. You can also do your research before any making moves. So let's get started with the WEEX platform, where you can analysis the new startups, as well as there is also like a complete analysis of their big currencies that has been listed. This is the exchange platform, where you can easily hold their official token to get more extra benefits, like in trading. There will be more your relaxation. So here is also about some information about Mitchell Oman as global brand ambassador. There is deep liquidity in this week's exchange. You can also check 100 BTC as the backup fund. And not only this, you can also get further information that there, you have also chance that you can also start your copy trading experience too, because there is already thousands of elite traders are already doing trading. If you want to download their application, then you can also do it, and then we can also proceed to the next that I am going to share here. You can also get the information on the official Twitter to what the feature we are going to explore here is auto earn is now live, and you can earn effortlessly anytime, anywhere. You can also get 100% APR with new user daily payout. And you can also check how actually this is working. We can download the application and then I'll show you rest details on our application. So move to mobile. So friends, you can easily check here. After downloading the application into the WEEX app, you can find like this interface where you can get the new feature after coming on the asset option. That is auto earn, where you can see how 100% APR is going to offering you by the V platform. You can also check USDT and other multiple cryptocurrencies. You can get further information into the notebook auto earn that is also eligible into different countries. And for further they are working, and this is also going to be very done. And next further information has been given how much you will get APR for, that you can also store your asset into the V platform. There is also enable it. You can also click on the auto and then it will be done. And now you can see my account has enabled this feature. In this way you can also come to the V platform. There you can also check a complete information about I have already shown it to YouTube. You can come to the WEEX platform downloaded application and be a member who will get experience of this new feature that is awesome. And here I am also going to share to my friends to come and enjoy this feature. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in next video.